Hey guys, so today I just want to do a quick video on how to install the MMD 5-inch short antenna. So as you can see here, this is the stock antenna that came on the car. It's really long, and whenever I lift my trunk up, the edge of the spoiler hits the antenna. So I bought the MMD 5-inch short antenna, and I'll show you how to put that on right now. So you're going to want to turn it counterclockwise and just twist it off. You don't need any tools for this. So twist right off. Just like that. Let me set this down real quick. And then you're going to get the 5-inch MMD short antenna and just put it on there and turn it clockwise, obviously, to tighten it on there. So you just turn it clockwise. Now you don't want to tighten it too much or you might break it, so just, make sure it's snug. It ain't going anywhere. That's it. Looks a lot better, a lot lower profile, and thanks for watching.